Now, a snapshot field, if you've never heard of one or never used one, is a non-editable field that grabs the value of a lookup field when a child record is created. So for this example, we would like to snapshot the current value, the treasure at the time that a museum loan record was created. So, let's just use this Mars scepter here. If it's worth $18,000 when we loan it out and then we get it back, it was destroyed or broken, but now the current value is $25,000. Well, we might want to see what it was when it was loaned compared to what it is now. We are going to go to our museum loans table because we want to know when the museum loan was created. Now, the first thing we have to do is create a field for us to be able to put that snapshotted value in. So I'm going to go to settings and we're going to create a new field. Now, and the important thing about this is that it does need to match the same field type as the value you want to snapshot. So for this one, I want to know the value at time of loan. So that's what I'm going to title this. And this is going to be a currency field. It's the only field we need. And we are going to add fields. I agree. Snapshot fields are so underutilized. Totally agree. So once we create our field, now we need to edit our field settings. If you scroll down in field settings, if you just click on the name of the field and scroll down, under advanced, you will see an option for a snapshot. It says, get this field's value from a lookup field and don't allow the value to change. That's exactly what we want. Go ahead and click the checkbox. For lookup field, once you click the drop down, you will only see fields that have the same field type as what matches the field you just created. So currency. Here we have current value. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. I'm going to go ahead and click save. Once you click save, you can click exit settings at the top of your screen. And now to demonstrate this, let's go ahead and create a new museum loan. So let's click the new museum loan at the top of the screen and just go ahead and pick a treasure. We can see the current value is $6,400. My museum is going to be the Quickbase Museum. And we can put a date loaned in. Now, another additional piece of treasure here. If you were in a date field and you click on the letter, you tap the letter T on your keyboard, T for today, it will put today's date in. So you can do today, you can do any day you want. And let's just pick a due date. I love Halloween, so I'm going to put Halloween as our due date. So let's go ahead and save our record after you filled out the information. I'm just going to view my record I just created, and you can see the value at time of loan is $6,400. Just to demonstrate the difference between these, now that you have your treasure here, go ahead and click the name of your treasure. Now, let's say that the current value of this treasure has gone up, right? I'm going to edit, and I'm going to say this is now worth $10,000. I'm going to save. Now here, I can just scroll down to our child records and see that it was loaned out to the Quickbase Museum. That's exactly what I did. So I'm going to view it with the eyeball and just take a look at this. Value at time of loan was $6,400. Notice it did not update the current value of $10,000. That's exactly what we wanted it to do.